Well, COVID-19 has left thousands of Kern County residents out of work, but with unemployment pay, 17's Karen Hua found that many of those people can actually make more money staying at home than going back to work.
Many without a job right now are worried about providing for their families. There's the idea that you have to work in order to make ends meet. But during this pandemic, that's not always true.
There are actually people that are unemployed right now that would actually be making more money on unemployment than they would working.
That's because the state is giving those on unemployment benefits an extra $600 a week. That goes until the beginning of July.
The amount of money that you get is based on your income, how long you've received it. It's an equation that they use to determine the amount.
So let's say you're a minimum wage worker in California, earning $13 an hour. In a 40-hour week, you'd earn $520. Under unemployment, you'd get about 60% of that, or $312. Add the extra $600 a week from the state, you would make $912 a week. That is $392 more each week than you normally make. Over a month, you'd make about $1,568 more being unemployed than you would going to work.
Some people will go, well, that's not fair. That is in part by design. Because remember, the government wanted to keep people home. And so to keep people home, they're basically saying, we're going to pay you to stay home.
In California, unemployment pay maxes out at $450 a week. With the extra $600 from the state, one could be making $1,050 a week now. That means if you have a salary of less than $54,600 a year, you'd be making more on unemployment than you would working. Now that applies to most people in Kern County, since the median household income is just over $52,000, according to the U.S. Census Bureau.
State of California is basically accepting pretty much all unemployment claims at this point, and making it relatively easy to get those claims passed.
During the pandemic, there is also more leniency with eligibility.
Normally, you would have to continually prove to the unemployment office that you're looking for work. They've actually waived that for this period of time.
Now, the state has a page where you can calculate how much you'd make on unemployment. We'll link everything to our website, kget.com. In Bakersfield, Karen Hua, 17 News.